Pratima, I think you went, we saw your bite yesterday. You went to super specialty block along with other Congress leaders were also there with you. Uh, where are you heading right now? I think you're heading somewhere. Chikalim, where are you going right now?
Chikalim. I was on my way to go to Chikalim. Well, Rupesh, in fact, I don't have any words today. I'm feeling so saddened. First and foremost, I would like to give my condolences, extend my condolences to Father Bolmex's family, his sister, his mother-in-law, brother whom I met yesterday. I had a chat with them outside the CCU. Yes, Amit Palekar and Amit Patkar also has just said that both have lost a great soul, great warrior. Yes, he was not only an environmentalist or a lecturer or a peer priest, but I would like to mention especially he was a fighter, person with a very good soul, and he was a motivator and a great guide for like us. In fact, काल देखून हांवें उल्लेख केला, but 23 तारखेर जेन्ना म्हाका खबर आयली सकाळी वतना तो कोलॅप्स जालो म्हणून रेल्वे स्टेशनाचेर वास्को 3 वरांचेर I happened to go and I was lucky enough that I was given an opportunity to meet him. And when I spoke to him, he gave me Rupesh. He kept saying that Pratima Bienaka, हांव आसा, हांव येता, very confidently, हांव येता गो बाय, हांव बसता, हांवें बसतलो. Then yesterday I went and I pleaded with people of God that cross the religion and caste, मागुया देवाकडे मागुया, जेजूकडे मागुया. But yes, God has his good plans. चड काम केल्लें फादर पॉलमॅक्स and he was a no nonsense priest. I would like to say this हेजो उल्लेख करता हांव की no nonsense priest ताचे कितें आसा ताका wrong ते wrong, right ते right आशिल्लें. धडधडीचो मनीस उलयतालो आनी म्हाजे जाल्यार चड ताका क्लोजनस म्हणटा ते जेन्ना प्रोटेस्ट आशिल्ले सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियराचे आई उलो मारिल्लो तेन्ना अशब्द वर्ड्स आमच्या सेंट फ्रांसिसाक लागून जाल्ले आनी लोक गॅदर जाल्लो मडको 2 दीस चड व्हडली प्रोटेस्ट जाली तेन्ना he was the one who was like telling me Pratima cool. Hello, you can hear me, Rupesh?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm listening to you.
Pratima, I understand with your ragat sista. We know what you're going through. I know म्हाका जायते जाला तूच उलय फादर तें आयकपाना when father approached others to tell मातशें but end of the day ताजेच आयकले हांवें ह्या पाटी देखून जेन्ना जालें कॅन्डल लायट पीसफुली करया म्हणपालो पीसफुली कर प्रतिमा तूं पीसफुली कर आनी म्हजें चाडवल्लें हांवें म्हणलें ना हेंकाय दाखोवपाक जाय की आमकांय दुखता आमकांय काळीज आसा आमचेय सान ना फादरान म्हाका सांगलें बाय मोगान कर उलो मार लोक येतलो कॅन्डल लायटाक कर तूं हांव ना म्हणना हांवें ताचो उलो केलो आयज I think it's like a sad day and a dark day for Goa. At least I'm feeling lost. And may God grant him eternal peace. May his soul rest in peace. And yes, now I think he's more closer. आताचो साको जेजूच्या सायडीन आसा. एंजल्सा बरोबर आसा. I think कितें बरें धाडटलो. कित्याक गोंय म्हणटालो तो. एनवायरोमेंटलाक कितें जाल्यार नश्ट ना म्हणटालो. निसंटन करचें न्ही. आमचें गोंय. आनी at a young age, at the age of 50, such a great soul going. So God's plans. मागता की ताचे खूब फॉलोवर आसा ताचे खूब फॅन्स आसा फॉलोवर आसा ताचे फॅमिली जावं फ्रेंड्स जावं नॉट ओन्ली गोंयांतूच न्ही आख्खे संवसारभर जे ताचे फॉलोवर आशिल्ले ताचे फ्रेंड्स आशिल्ले हांव मागता देवा कडेन की तांकांय देवान करेज दिवची टू बेर दीस ग्रेट लॉस.
I have seen you working with him closely in many of the agitations, rather protests, and every time I have seen him supporting very peaceful protests like candlelight काडुया म्हणटालो. He never supported की रस्तो ब्लॉक करा किंवा लोकांक त्रास करा किंवा अशें खंयच्याच हातून नाशिल्लो. And secondly, I think in your personal life also, you have seen so many priests. But this priest was a different कारण he was talking about biodiversity, he was talking about youth, he was giving solutions like in during COVID time he gave solution की आम्ही वचून जी शेतां पडींग पडल्या ती शेतां वचून रोवया म्हणून. Don't you think he was a different kind of priest?
Yes, mostly we have seen priests who are there serving the church at the altar and serving humanity. But this this Father Bolmek जो शिलॉंगचो पिरेड was a man with difference, priest with difference. ताका सगळे लागताले. ताका सगळे जशे तुवें सांगला तशें उल्लेख केला so it was not only on the altar. And one priest I have seen beyond the altar and even समन्सांतल्यान तो कितें बरें जावपाक जाय, कितें बरें करपाक जाय, कितें रॉंग जाता तें सारकें करपाक जाय ताचे उल्लेख करतालो, समज दितालो. ताचे समज देखून आमी ताचे लींक घेताले ते देखून आमी घरा कडेन आतां आमी समज रावतात नावेली आनी कोण रावता सपोज पेडणे or काणकोण ताचे ते लींक I used to watch those sermons because they were meaningful sermons and they had some substance in it. ते बसत तरी केन्नाच कोणाचेच वायट चिंतूना, दुसरेपण चिंतूना, सदांच बरें चिंतले, सदांच पॉझिटिव्ह चिंतले. So that is why I am feeling very heavy today.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.